So friends, welcome to my channel. This is day 6. So my channel growth with day 6 and I am creating video like creating the script with chat GPT, creating thumbnail and upload the video, and this is I started past day 6. So this is day 6 and today's topic is about what is dashboard in Power BI. So let's start the video. So dashboard means the important information show on visual in one page. In the Power BI there are two things, that is reports and dashboard. Reports means the number of pages or number of pages of visuals, and dashboard means one page. The one page include the summary of all the uh, data of we can provide to Power BI. So for example, we have sales data. So dashboard worked as show total sales of the data, monthly sales or region wise sales, show top product of among all the product. So dashboard help business to make a changes in the business or make a quick decision or future plan of business, like you can store the product or store any other raw material. This is type of things here or need of business include all the data in the Power BI, so we can create the dashboard like this. So dashboard is equal to a summary view and clean and neat diagram of our data. So diagram may include pie chart, bar chart, line chart, or etc. So dashboard is the most important thing in Power BI. So thank you for watching my video. See you soon. See you next video. Thank you.